Hello and welcome to another art session. It's fooling our critic by just saying, well, this is just really a piece of card with scraps of paper stuck to it, and then I've just kind of done the outline of a face. I'm not trying to do a portrait, I'm not trying to do a collage, I'm not trying to paint anything in particular, but I'm just messing about. And when your critic feels like you're just messing about, then it's less likely to, it will sometimes continue, say, well, what does that look like? That doesn't look like anything. It's not supposed to. It doesn't have. Then what does it say? So okay, I just wanted to show you some of the background papers that have come from it. So it's with a background, for everyone I've been putting just a sheet of paper down. This is actually printer paper, and with the paint that's left over, I just get it down on the paper. It doesn't matter, it's no particular shape or anything. Whatever favourite paints you have, I use acrylics, mostly in these. The acrylics I use are these, there's two, Apple Barrel Folk Art, there's an Americana one as well, I think. For some reason I remember seeing an Americana brand. Anyway, so I've just got my paints off to the side. I haven't decided what colours I'm using. I will show you how I create one of these, in terms of, just finding a piece of card and then just attaching paper to it, and then you leave it. And so these were in my creative well, and now I just want to create a picture, a small painting. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the rest of this, and I hope you enjoy watching my painting develop.